Hi everyone, Dreena here with another feature from the Vegan Health Bundle. If you haven't heard yet, the Vegan Health Bundle is back and of course bigger and better than ever. It has all new products. So if you bought the Health Bundle last year or the year before, it's new products every year. And this one is organized by Chef AJ and Melissa Maris. I haven't done a bundle in a while, but this one was pretty special. So I've decided to jump in. It's over $7,700 in products for $49. And it has a ton of ebooks in there, videos, meal plans, all kinds of plant-based and wellness items, and all the recipes are oil-free. Today, I'm featuring an oil-free hummus. I gotta make a hummus. This one is a zucchini hummus, and this one caught my eye because it doesn't use tahini, and a lot of hummus recipes and even a zucchini hummus uses tahini. So I was like, I want to try this one out. So this comes from the ebook by Karen and Rick Dreena called The Dressing Difference. Does that come through on camera? I'm not sure if it does. So what this ebook is about, I'm going to try to encapsulate it without doing it wrong, is it really encourages us to use whole foods, plant-based items to make dressings to boost the nutritional value of salads. A lot of you have my oil-free dressings ebook. And you know that when you use whole foods ingredients like vegetables and fruits and seasonings, then you're not just putting something that's empty on your salad, you're actually adding more nutrition. So what's really cool in this ebook is that they show you what the nutritional values of the salad is before the dressing and then after. And you can see quite a bump in B vitamins in particular, and then a lot of minerals like potassium, iron, and calcium. So they show you the comparison, the side by side, and then the recipes. Pretty cool, right? So today I'm making their zucchini hummus. I cannot give you the measurements of the ingredients. I'll kind of give you an overview of the ingredients without giving too much, but you have to get the bundle to get the recipe. But I think the ebook offers a lot more than the recipe anyhow, because just seeing that nutritional value information is interesting and helps us understand how much we are really taking in, not just with a good abundant green salad or steamed vegetables, but also with the whole foods dressings that we make. Okay, so let's get to this. It doesn't say in the recipe, unless I missed it, whether to use a food processor or a blender. I'm using a blender because this is considered somewhat of a dressing to put on a salad. And usually I would use my food processor for hummus, but because this is zucchini, it's going to blend really, really with a lot of the juices from the zucchini. It's going to be a little thinner anyhow, and I think a blender will do a nice job. So I'm using my Vitamix, and I have the zucchini in here and some chickpea miso, which I love that they use chickpea miso. Of course, you could use a soy-based miso, but I love chickpea miso. It's very mild and also offers that option for people who can't eat soy-based miso if they have a sensitivity. Where did I put that garlic? Oh, it's in there. It's in there already. And lemon juice. So what I'm going to do is I'm not blending all of the zucchini right away. I'm going to blend about 2/3 and then pulse in the rest of this zucchini so that we've got a little texture. But let's get this blended. Yeah, so you can see this is quite a lot thinner than I haven't put in, okay, that's why it's thinner. I haven't put in a couple of ingredients. So right now there was a reason I was doing this though. I wanted to blend the zucchini with the garlic first and get the garlic really, really fully blended. So that was my reasoning. Now I'm going to add the walnuts. So they use walnuts instead of tahini. I'm just checking the measure there. I like the idea of using walnuts. I don't use walnuts a ton, only because if I eat too many of them, they kind of bother my mouth. But I think they're really a very good nut to include because of the omega-3s. So I'm adding those, and then there's a magic little amount of chia seed in here. And I presume that's to thicken it, because chia seed has that thickening component and quality. Of course, it's nutrient dense as well. So let's give this another blend, and then I'll add in the rest of the zucchini. Much better. When I was looking at this recipe on the sheet, I was like, that looks a lot creamier than my first blend. So that's smelling really good. Now I'm going to add the remainder of the zucchini. I was going to pulse it in, but I'm actually going to fully blend it. I do want to get a spatula and wipe down my Vitamix. And then the other thing I'm going to add to the recipe, which it doesn't have, I'm going to add a little bit of freshly ground black pepper. And I'm also going to add some lemon zest, and that I'm going to just pulse in, because I find with anything with lemon juice or citrus, when you can add just a touch of lemon zest or orange zest or lime zest, it amplifies that lemon taste, that flavor. And it's so powerful. The zest is really powerful. So I'm going to blend this again. So yeah, I'm really on the fly with this. I totally changed my mind and added all the zucchini to blend it in. And I think that's a better idea. So this is quite thick for a dressing. Super thick, a little bit, but you could thin it out or keep it thick. It's going to thicken more as it sits in the fridge too, because the nuts and the chia will continue to soak up that liquid. So I'm just adding that lemon zest now. Give that a little pulse. Yeah, I just want to really, there we go. Just want to incorporate it through. And I didn't add the pepper, but I'll probably do that after. So this recipe does not have salt. It has the miso for sodium for the salty flavor. You can, of course, season to taste as you like. You do you. So I'm just going to taste it right from the spatula. Tangy. It's good. The quantity of lemon juice is a little vague in the recipe. It says juice from 1 large lemon. I actually doubled the recipe and had a really juicy lemon and used that 1 large lemon. So that was about a quarter cup for a double recipe. So you might want to play with that lemon juice quantity yourself. Maybe add a little bit and then blend and then taste and add more. But it's very lemony, delicious. It's going to be great on a salad. Of course, you could use it as a dip. And if you wanted to thicken it more, you could just add a little bit more of the walnuts or the chia seed. But of course, that's going to increase the fat. So it's kind of dependent on your needs and your preferences for doing recipes. But it looks really, now it looks nice and creamy like the photo. So there we go. So that is zucchini hummus from the Dressing Difference by Karen and Rick Dreena. And they go through a number of recipes and give you the side-by-side comparisons for the dressings with the salad and the salad alone. So have a peek, go over and see all the contents of the bundle. I know you're going to find goodies in there that you'll love. And this year there's one ebook in particular. It's a collaborative project from the contributors in the bundle this year. And that ebook is only being offered this year. So next year you won't be able to get it. And of course, the bundle contents change every year. Okay, so go hop over, get yourself a bundle and try out some good recipes. Let me know which ones you make first. Okay, we'll see you soon.